What's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my vlog channel. I'm your girl Kristen. Happy New Year. It's January 1st. Anyways, I want you guys to subscribe, like, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram, Kristen9, TikTok, Kristen Ryan, and Kristen Jackson. Go follow me on Twitter, Kristen46. That's all you guys have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed today. Let's get started with our day. And like I said, it's January 1st. Happy Sunday. Happy New Year. Happy 2023. I'm so happy. It's the new year now. Now we can do whatever the fuck we want. Okay. Now I have to get down to business and I gotta do this. Oh, and it's 8:53 a.m. Like, we gotta get down to business. We gotta be vlogging a lot. We gotta take pictures. We gotta edit. We gotta do all that kind of shit. And this motherfucking year is happening starting today. I have to take some hair vitamins to get 11. So I'm probably going to blog that too. Not probably, I am going to blog that. I am going to blog everything. So, okay. I'm watching TLC creates intentionally and use or something like that. And I'm just writing something down. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. See you guys in the next clip. That's all I can say. Bye. What's up, guys? Update time. It is 2:06 p.m. So I'm watching my old vlog right now. I just got to watch Lion music videos, and I just got to watch Ludacris and all those music videos. And I just, just relax today. Best to take these vitamins for my hair. I said, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it on video. Okay, I have to go to the bathroom anyways, but I'm not bringing you guys with me to the bathroom. I believe it's 2023 right now. I can't believe it. I'd be 35 in 4 months, you guys. In fucking 4 months. That's crazy. What the? Oh, it's right there. I knew it was somewhere. I'm taking. So the favorite. Oh my god. Stinks. I gotta take 2 gummies daily. These are good. Look, what the hell? I take that. I'm messing up one of these. These are really good. Yep. I'll take it daily. Taking these. 2023. And you guys saw it on video. I'm taking it every day. So, take it 2 days, 2 gummies. Yeah. You guys best take a nap because take a nap. See you guys in the next clip. I am starting my writing journey tomorrow. I wrote a little bit today, but I'm gonna really start it tomorrow, so yeah. What's up, guys? The bedtime is 9:07 p.m. closing the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this short vlog. I want you guys to subscribe, like, hit the bell, follow me on Instagram, Kristen9, TikTok, Kristen Ryan, and Twitter, Kristen46. That's all you guys to do. See you guys tomorrow on another vlog. I don't really feel good right now. That's why I'm trying to hurry up and finish this vlog. So, yeah, I'll put something up tomorrow. So it's gonna be the New Year's Eve one vlog tomorrow. So yeah, anyways, have a good night. Bye.